get him. Get him, Saki. Get him, Saki. Get him, Saki. Get him, Zen. Yeah. What are you doing, Zen? Hey, get in here, Zen. Get in there, Zen. Get in there, Zen.
Puppy was running up and down the hill, and Saki took her across the street.
Uh-oh.
And yelled and made her come back. Puppy was out in that pen. She found an egg that was soft.
Uh-huh.
She took off with that, and she wasn't about to let me have that. And she ate it. Every bit of it.
She did.
Yep.
What's the matter? Is that man Zen being mean? Get him, Zen. Get him, Zen. Get him, Zen. You guys ready to go? Well, come on, let's go get in the pickup. Come on, let's go get in the pickup. Come on, let's go. Get in the pickup. Come on. Come on, Puddler. Come on, Puddler. Come on, Saki. Get up there. Let's go. Get up there. Let's go. Come on, Zen. Come on, Puddler. Yeah, she does it. She does it. Yes, she does. Well, you guys want to get out of there? Huh? What are you doing up there? You looking over the back edge too? Huh? Are you looking over the back edge too with the big dogs? You want to get out of there too? All right, get out of the way. Look at that. There we go. Uh-oh, you peed all over. Now, wait a minute. You can't jump yet. No, you can't jump yet. Wait for the ramp. Okay, you can come down the ramp. There you go. Come on. They're ready to go. All right, there you go.
Puppy! Hi, Puppy.
He's in.
Gotta go get my mom.
You guys, up this way. Come on, up the road. Come on. Hey, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go this way. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Zen. Oh, some deer hair there.
Porcupine.
Yep, porcupine. Get out of there. Get out of there.
No.
You don't need to get in the porcupines. Come on.
Go.
Yeah, get out of there.
Come on. Get out.
Come on, you don't need to get a porcupine. No, come on, let's go, Saki. Let's go, Saki. Let's go, Saki. What, you like that camera? Huh? Mom got a camera too? Huh? Mom got a camera too? You want to eat the camera? Huh? You want to eat the camera? All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go, Saki. Let's go.
What? Come on, let's go.
Zen's back there someplace, sniffing.
That was in the air.
Are they going through the brush too far? Oh yeah, get that grass. What do you got? Huh? What do you got? Huh? What do you got? Let's go. Come on, let's go. What's out there? Huh? What's out there? All right, let's go. Come on, keep going.
Deer rub?
It looks like it. Yeah, fresh deer rub.
That's all you're gonna do to him? Okay, Zin. Go, Zin, go! Go, Zin, go! Keep it. Get him, Saki, get him. Go get him. Come on, Saki, get him. Run, Zin, go. Go, go, go. Get Zin. Go, Zin, go. Come on. Go, Zin. Pesty puppy. Uh-oh, she goes, what did I find here?
Fine, get out of that. You're a good girl. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, you want to play with me too, huh?
She's forgetting her mom, isn't she? Body slam. Rug burn. Road burn. Road rash, that's the word. Yeah, bite something besides the steel. Look at the lay on her. Oh, she had to say uncle, huh? Oh, I heard that snap from the puppy.
Matter, Saki, you bite your tongue.